Today, we're going to learn how to reset your WordPress theme without losing any of your content. Now imagine your website is completely messed up. Maybe you installed too much settings, changed things randomly, or something just broke. Normally, resetting means losing everything, right? But not today. In this video, I will show you a simple and safe method to reset your WordPress theme without touching your post, pages, media, images, or any important data. And here's the best part. No matter which hosting you are using, this method will work perfectly. So let's get started. So at first, go to plugins page. Click on add plugin and search Resetify. So this is the WordPress plugin. Just click on install now and activate it. After activating, scroll down and go to Resetify menu. Here you will find custom reset, snapshot, emergency recovery tool, and other settings. And if you scroll down, you will see this theme reset option. So basically, these are the default enabled options here. If you want to keep all post pages, you want to keep medias, or deactivate all or active plugins, you can keep them. So before that, let's check my post, media, and pages. So currently I have 3 posts, so many media files, and so many pages like checkout, cart, about, etc. So let's do the theme reset. Keep them all enabled and click on Perform Theme Reset. At this stage, in a pop-up, they are mentioning that please create a snapshot or full WordPress backup. When you reset your website, this perform can't be undone. So in our channel, there is also so many videos about how to take backup of your WordPress website and save them in Google Drive or any other cloud storage. So you can watch those videos. Then click on Perform Reset. So theme reset is complete. Click on OK. This website is now looks fresh. Let's check the home page first. Also the pages, also the post. So this is the website homepage. All posts are fine, and the pages, those are also so fine. So this is the video on how to reset your WordPress theme without losing your content like post, pages, medias, etc. etc. If you like this video, feel free to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.